little teacher. You've been training for years.
Rich, orange, yellow.
Have some, Barney. New Post-Fruity Pebbles series, part of a balanced breakfast.
Tastes as fruity as it looks.
Now the bright colors are taking me into the fruity monster.
I'll get the new Fruity Pebbles. Tastes as fruity as it looks.
Fruity colors, I want some Proto. Hey, Fred, put on these special glasses. You're not supposed to look at Proto like Fruity Pebbles without them.
Shut up. Hey, Garfield. Oh no, it's
get back to Bikini Bottom now.
I can take you there.
Wait, Pat. This bigger boot saved our lives.
Yay! Thank you, String.
Well, it's getting kind of bumpy here.
You know, SpongeBob, there's a lesson to be learned from all of this. How you doing? Wait a minute. Sponge!
Do things like that, it just makes my job more difficult.
Complexion. What?
The food!
That was just a bunch of cheap walk cycles! What a rip. SpongeBob betrayed us! Why did I ever start this stupid bad club in the first place? I'm gonna get rid of all my SpongeBob collection! All of this! All of this stupid junk! All of it! I'm gonna run away! Just without you guys! Run away!